You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
I have to tell you something. Look. You're adopted.
Good. You're adopted.
You are adopted.
Pablo, there's been something I've been wanting to tell you for a long time. I don't know how you're gonna take it, but you're adopted.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
Pepper, you're adopted.
Oh! Winston, did you know that you're adopted? Did you know that?
I have something to tell you.